Hi my viewers, welcome back to my channel. It's Neelam Lucky Style and you are watching from me from Canada. So I'm taking you to from my spring and summer shopping. It's already tons of stuff already for the summer, and this cute trunks, the copper trunks, that's at $39.99. The price was really good. And these footstool, Indian inspired, really colorful, I think really good addition. The wind chime, they always have a really good price with the wind chimes. I think they're still coming the stock, so right now they don't have that much, but they usually have a really nice choices. Clay pottery all over the place, all over the store, really nice price and really nice shades. But I'm really a big fan of their mirrors. This much, you know, price and that bigger size, the art. Look at this painting, $39.99, and then this size painting just 69 or 59. This mirror catch my eye. It was 249, pretty big, actually 36 by 6 foot, pretty heavy actually. So I think this is really good if you put just on the floor. And this Paris inspired, the walking in the rain painting, always my favorite. I'm gonna share my another video for my living room makeover, so keep watching, like, share and subscribe if you're interested in your home decor, and if you want to know how you can do it on the budget. The kid arts have a really nice price, $24.99. Look at this painting, $16 for that big size. It's actually way cheaper than the thrift store. It's new, it's trendy, you can have it. I'm thinking to use these paintings in my garage makeover. So look at this one, it's $20 for the round mirror. These are really trendy these days. And this art piece is just $10. So I noticed this time of the year they have a really nice clearance prices and on just so many items. I really catch my eye. This painting, it's really fun painting. It's I think $16 and the size was pretty big. The washable rugs, $99. I saw this is actually first time here, and the size is 5 by 8, so $99. I think this is a really good option if you can use and rewash your rugs. And the faux plants, they have a tons of choices in faux plants. This video is actually not a sponsored, but if you love home furnishing, if you love a home decor like me, I love home decor, I love garden decor. That's why the Home Sense is my first stop where I go. Then maybe the Walmart and the Real Canadian Superstore. But the things I can get from here, I couldn't find anywhere else because the price is really affordable. Look at this angel, $39.99. Look at the size. So it's not sponsored, but I really love to share the affordable design. You can find it here. If you like the video so far, give me thumbs up, subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.